So we finally made it, H&M $50 challenge. Let's do it. Y'all, this right now, as y'all can see, is definitely gonna be a struggle for me. Finding something in this store $50 or less. So I don't know, man. I guess we gotta figure it out. as far as that store, they didn't have any. Now I found maybe a few fits that I probably can pull off. They didn't have anything in that store my size, all small sizes. Maybe because the sale that they running. But what I did have them do was to look up another H&M that was close by me to see that the items that I did pick up, did they possibly have my size, and they said they did. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swing to this other H&M and see if they have my sizes. Well, they should have it because they should be placed on hold, hopefully. We're gonna swing up there and hopefully just grab those 2 pieces and see if we can come up with something to get this challenge out the way, man. Like, I forgot all about how, now they got some stuff in there that's decent, but to pull off a nice looking outfit, you know, you may spend a little bit over $50. But I think I may have came up with something though to, you know, complete the challenge. But before we do this, man, I gotta grab me something to eat first. So your boy gonna grab me something to eat and give a shout out to the other store. Alright guys, as y'all can see, $50 challenge finally complete, man. Let me show y'all the items that we finally got. Starting out first, I'm gonna start out straight with the accessories. We topped it out with this beanie right here. Now the beanie is definitely gonna complement everything that we put together. So let me show y'all the rest of the fit. Definitely, with this flannel, it's definitely gonna go hard with it. Show y'all this flannel right here. Excuse me. Now this flannel right here that I got is definitely gonna be a knock out the box flannel. This flannel was priced at $24. So that wasn't a bad price for the flannels. Now, that is a nice little spot that you wanna go if you need flannels. I'm gonna do a whole video on that. Y'all stay tuned for that. The flannels at H&M are like hella dope because like the quality on them for one is super cool. Like for them to be so cheap, the quality on them is hella dope. And not only did the quality, they have like a lot of different color schemes. So if you're looking for flannels, any need for flannels, H&M is your spot. Now, I know at the end of the video, well not at the end of the video, I also seen in the video that my total ended up being a little bit more than $60. Now, before y'all get at me on that, start screaming, hey, you know, you spend more than $60. I did have a coupon that I ended up using to knock my price like $12 off. So it knocked me down maybe like 54. I did still end up spending over $50 though, but I didn't know this challenge would be that tough to find something at H&M that I would like under $50. So I did what I could do. But I actually picked up another piece right here. Let me show y'all the hoodie. Now this hoodie right here is dope too. Now I definitely have an outfit in mind for this hoodie right here. As y'all can see that the brown coordinated with the cream, just brown and cream period around this time of the year. And I also thought I could possibly, I could rock this flannel with this too because this brown is kind of the same color. So I could probably do some, I can do something with this beanie with the flannel and the hoodie, as you can see. But yeah, man, like I say, now to top this whole outfit off and complete it, man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what kicks I'm gonna rock with this outfit as well. Y'all are going to see this outfit again because I'm gonna also do, I'm gonna bring y'all another episode where I show y'all outfits, dope outfits that's under $100. Y'all stay tuned for that. I'm working on that video right now as we speak. So y'all will be seeing this outfit again as well. So let me show y'all the kicks that I'm gonna coordinate together with this fit. Now these right here, these are, what are these? Nike D-break type. It's like a Nike waffle shoe. These joints are fire now. Definitely with this, let me show y'all. Definitely with this flannel, it definitely stands out. So let me know what y'all think about that. Make sure y'all comment down below. Tell me what y'all think about that. Also along with this beanie. So. And with the hoodie, man, like I say, I'm gonna find something to coordinate that as well. So I brought y'all that. I did what I could do. $50, like I said, H&M. That was tough. The next H&M challenge would definitely be $100 or more, man. So I hope y'all like this video. Y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the outfit that I was able to piece together. Let me know what y'all think about the kicks, from the kicks to the beanie, to the flannel, to the hoodie, man. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below once again and let me know what y'all think about that. And once again, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to the video, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just wanna